In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Finviz Heatmap. First, open your browser and head to finviz.com. On the home page, click the Maps or Heatmap option in the main menu. You'll land on a large mosaic of colored rectangles that represent stocks, arranged by sector and industry. Think of it as a real-time dashboard for market movement. Start by choosing what you want to view. At the top, switch between the S&P 500, all stocks, or specific indices and sectors. The S&P 500 view is a clean way to understand what the biggest U.S. companies are doing. All stocks gives broader coverage, helpful if you want to see action in mid and small caps. If you're researching a focused theme, narrow it to a single sector to remove noise and zero in. Now, read the colors. Green means the price is up, red means the price is down, and darker shades indicate bigger moves. A dark green block signals a strong gainer. A dark red block points to a notable loser. Lighter tones reflect smaller changes. This quick color language lets you scan the market in seconds and spot momentum without opening individual charts. Next, notice the size of each block. Larger rectangles represent larger market cap companies. That's why a few mega-cap names can dominate the map visually. This sizing helps you understand not just what moved, but which moves carry more weight for the overall market. Hover your cursor over any block to see a pop-up with the company name and performance details. Use this to identify tickers quickly, compare companies inside the same industry, and spot standouts versus laggards. A few quick hovers across a sector can reveal whether leadership is broad-based or concentrated in one or two names. If you want a different angle, switch views or apply filters using the controls on the page. You can pivot between sectors and industries, or group companies by market cap, so smaller names don't get overshadowed. Adjusting these settings tailors the map to your question, whether that's what's driving the index today, or where is strength within this sector. Finally, use the heat map to spot trends. Look for clusters of green to identify areas of strength and clusters of red to find pockets of weakness. When multiple related industries share the same color tone, it often points to a broader theme driving the move. A quick daily scan can reveal where money is flowing and where it's pulling back, helping you prioritize what to research next.